Hey there everyone, in this video I will show you how to increase virtual memory on Windows 11. So let's get started. First of all, for that reason you need to go to the settings of your system. So like this, you can go to the settings. Then from here you need to go to the system option, then scroll it down and you will get the about option right over here. Just tap on that, and from here you need to go to the advanced system settings. Go to the advanced system settings and it will show up a dialog box in front of you. So from here you need to go to the settings of the first side, then again you need to go to the advanced, and from here you will see the change option. All right, it will show up the virtual memory, which is tick mark like automatically manage the virtual size. So I will untick it, and from here you need to select the custom size option. So from here we'll see two boxes like the initial size and the maximum size. So how we can calculate both? So let's do this. First of all, just open up your calculator, and from here, as you can see, we got a RAM installed RAM of 16 GB. Okay, so if you have more than that, you can just simply check it. And now what you need to do, I will calculate the initial size for you. First of all, the initial RAM would be 16, as I have 16 GB RAM installed. So I will go with the 16, then multiplied by 1.5 and hit enter. Then you need to again multiply it with 1024 and hit enter. So we got our initial size. So let's just copy this from here and now paste it right over here. And for the maximum size, again you need to go with the installed RAM size like 16 for me, and into the multiplied by 3, enter, then again multiplied by 1024 and hit enter. Okay, then copy the whole thing and paste right over here. Okay guys, after making all of these changes, now what you need to check out is the space available. So if you guys have enough space for this to be settled, then just go with that. Otherwise, select the drive that have enough space for this, like 100 GB or like 50 GBs like that. Then if you have enough space, just go with the OK and restart your PC to get started again with the virtual RAM enabled. So I think this video will help you out. If yes, please leave a like and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one. Till then, have a great day.